Every rupee you spend on rewards is a cost you're carrying. But is it delivering on earn velocity, spend quality, and customer lifetime value? The reason rewards often struggle to drive growth is structural. One that shows up both in customer experience and business outcomes. What if every product, every transaction, every customer lived inside one reward system? Introducing Hyperface Rewards Plus, a real-time, programmable loyalty system that unifies your entire portfolio. The multi-currency ledger supports multiple reward types side by side with built-in accrual rules, capping, expiry, and accounting. Trigger rewards based on life cycle stage, intent signals, and engagement patterns. Drive intelligence-led next best actions. Deliver rewards through your own digital channels. Plug into any redemption ecosystem through a single API layer. Go live at speed with built-in maker checker and audit controls. Hyperface Rewards Plus is the new age rewards architecture built for the flexibility, control, and scalability your portfolio needs. Rewards Plus by Hyperface. Rewards reimagined.